Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing a paper, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into Google Docs. You have just to click over the first one, as you can see, and you will find this page. We already have one here. I will show you how you can get started. You click over create in your documents and you will find it like that. So first of all you have to add a title here, for example a write test or other things. Then you can also make it here star, as you can see, and here we have, if you want to move it to the drive, we have can make it start, and we have here start, I mean all locations, like here we have my drive, shared drives, computers, shared with me. Then you will have C document started. The document is ready for offline use. If you lose an internet connection, you can't edit these documents. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. So Google Docs is a free web-based word processing application that allows users to create, edit, and collaborate on documents online in real time. It offers various formatting tools, templates, and easy sharing options, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images and adding links. To collaborate, click the share button. Here we have it, as you can see. Then enter email addresses and set permissions for others to view or edit your document. You're ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So firstly, here we have other options. Here I will show you that, but before, we have three options here. You choose the one you want, or you can just type whatever you want here. For example, here we have meeting notes. You have a date, calendar, event, attendance. You choose the person that you want. The notes, you can add the notes that you want. Then we have action items. You can add action item. Then we have your email draft. Firstly, we have here the person that writes this email, and then the person that received. Then we have the subject, and then you start writing your email message. Then we have here more options, like here we have firstly the date one, or drop down, place holder trip, and we have here also building blocks such as meeting notes, email draft, and we have product roadmap, review tracker, projects, assets, launch, content tracker. So about the options that I already mentioned, we have here file. For example, if you want to hear the new document or from template, I will select here, as you can see. Then you have here open. If you want, you can also choose the option the Ctrl+O. Then you have here make a copy if you want. If you want to share also, you can just share it with your friend, with others, or publish to the web. Then you have here email, so you can just here email this file and email draft. Then we have download. For example, we have Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF document, and other options. Then if you want to rename, you click over here. If you want to move it, also here we find move, add shortcut to drive, move to the trash also. Then we have here version history, like name, current version, and we have see version history. Then we have here make available offline also. We have details, languages also. For example, here we have various languages, as you can see, page setup, and we have here print also. Or you can choose the option to Ctrl+P. Then we have here also the edit. So if you want to endo, you click over Ctrl+C, and we have here redo, Ctrl+Y, and then we have here, if you want to paste, Ctrl+V, and we have here paste without formatting, Ctrl+Shift+V, and we have here select all, Ctrl+A, and we have here find a replies, Ctrl+H. Then we have here the option of view. We have here the mode, and we have about the mode we have here also editing, suggesting, and viewing. Then we have comments, show print here, and then we have insert also, for example, image, table, drawing. Then we have here format, tools, extensions, and we have help also. So I'll show you an example here. For example, I will choose here the title like that, and I will choose the size here, for example 60, and I will choose here the option of poll. Alright, for example here Google. Then I'll click over enter to come back, and I will choose here, for example, subtitle like that, and I will choose here, for example 48, and I will choose here, for example, underline. So these options. So also I will choose here this option also, and I will write it. So how to start. How to start with it. And if you come back, you'll find here, and we have to choose also subtitle, and I will choose here also Arial. For example, I'll choose this one. Then I will choose the size also 48, and I will choose here underline, and the color the same color, and also I'll write right now. Get started. So you can see. So here we have it. So also we have here this option if you want to search the menus. Endo here, Riddle, we have print, spell and grammar check, and we have here if you want to print format. So here we have you choose if you want normal text, title, subtitle, heading 1, and we have here heading 2, heading 3, and other options like save as my default styles, use my default styles, relative style. Then we have here the size, and we have here the type of writing. Then if you want to insert link, add comment, image if you want to insert it, and we have here align and indent, line and paragraph, and check the menu here, checklist here, for example like that, and you click over here, and then we have here battle list, numbered list as I did. Then we have here also numbered list, and more options here, editing, and we have here if you want to share and join a call here, or present this tab to the call, show all comments, last edit was seconds ago, and we have here try Gemini, and this is my account. Also if you want to add a comments, you click over here, and we have also here for an emoji, and then we have here for the suggest edits. So let's come back like that. So this is how it works with Google Docs. You can just get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys.